Why we need an account for Google Search Console? Because Google Search Console Tools creates a report that helps measure search traffic of any website. Also, this tool fixes the issues and make that website rank higher in Google search results. Improve website performance on Google search. Optimize website content with search analytics and get reports of which query brings most users to your website. Also break down detailed report of impression of website, clicks and position on Google search. Google Search Console, that formerly called as a Google Webmaster Tools. Now we know a little bit about Google Search Console, but we need to know how to use Google Search Console. What we can do with it. We can do with Google Search Console, submit a sitemap or any website so Google can crawl sitemap and index web pages of website. Inspect all individual URLs to find an indexing issue. Review and fix website coverage in Google search results. We also can monitor top search queries for our website pages and geolocation. An excellent opportunity for website SEO strategy. Test and improve our website mobile usability with customized report so our website can rank higher in Google and gain more organic traffic instantly. I will go through step by step to learn complete setup of Google Search Console, so please watch the video to the end to learn all steps in detail. I have provided a link in description below to set up Google Search Console account. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet and hit the bell of notification so you will be notified first as soon as I upload a new video. Let's get started. So as soon as I click the link that I have provided in description below of this video, you will come on this page. Click on Start Now. Use the same account that you have created to sign up with Gmail account. You must have a Gmail account to sign up with Google Search Console account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, then you must sign up first for a Gmail account. If you want, you can watch this video to see how to sign up for Gmail account at this link. Now enter your email, click Next, enter password, click Next. In order to sign up for Google Search Console account, first we need to add a property. That property means a domain name of your website that you want to use with Google Search Console account. You can add later on as many domains as you want. I'm going to start with one at this time. Click to continue. As soon as you click on continue, you will see this window pop up. Then you have a small file here. Download this small file and save it and upload it to cPanel of your domain name. Once you download it and upload it to cPanel, then you can click to verify. So I'm going to log in to my cPanel to upload that small file. Click on File Manager, click on Public HTML, upload that small file. Now you must remember where you have uploaded. So this is the one. Click to reload, then you go back again, click to verify. Ownership verified, and then you can click to go to property. Welcome to new Google Search Console. Click to start. They have a lot of pop-ups you will see. You can read and close it. Now here you can see the performance of that domain, coverage, and the sitemap. I already have entered the sitemap long time ago, but if you want to add a new sitemap of your domain, that time always here you can always enter like sitemap.xml, then click to submit. Sitemap submitted successfully. Now if you don't have a plugin to create a sitemap in your website, that created sitemap automatically, I will add that link how to get that plugin in description below in detail. You can check page experience. Not enough data collected for this property at this time. Got it. And you can click right here on setting, then you can change ownership verification, user permission, association, change of address, crawl state, open report, and can check it. And click here to learn more about Search Console, and you can read, watch a video, and that's it all about for that Google Search Console account. And thank you for watching. I will add all the links in description below in details page, so you will get everything like plugins, how to get on this page, how to do this and that. And if you have any question, ask me in comments below. I will respond as soon as possible. And thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification, so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you a best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.